In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a Slack conversation. Whether you're collaborating with a new team member or need an expert opinion, knowing how to include someone in your Slack discussions can enhance communication and productivity. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to open your Slack workspace. You can do this by launching the Slack application on your desktop or by accessing it directly through your web browser. Once logged in, navigate to the conversation to which you want to add someone. This conversation can be a direct message, a group chat, or a channel. If it's a channel, just click on its name in the sidebar to open it. If it's a thread, click into it from your main channel view. Once you're in the desired conversation or channel, you'll notice a toolbar at the top of the window. Look for an icon that indicates View or Manage Members. It often appears as a small person icon with a plus sign next to it. Clicking this icon will open a menu or sidebar depending on your Slack version, listing the current participants. In this Members view, you should see an option to add more people. This could be a button labeled Add People or a text input field. Click on this option to proceed. A search bar will appear, allowing you to type in the name of the person you want to add. As you type, Slack will provide suggestions based on existing members of your workspace, making it easier to find the right contact. When you see the person you wish to add listed among the suggestions, click on their name. After selecting them, look for an Add or Invite button and click it to confirm. The individual will be notified, and they'll have access to the conversation or channel going forward. Remember, if you're adding someone to a private conversation or a private channel, ensure that the content shared there is something they're privy to. If you encounter any difficulties or restrictions, it might be due to the permissions set by your workspace admin. Some workspaces have limitations on who can add members to certain types of conversations. If that's the case, you may need to contact your admin for assistance. Lastly, it's always courteous to send a direct message or mention to the person being added just to give them a brief context regarding the conversation. This helps in bringing them up to speed on the ongoing discussion and why their input is needed. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough guide on how to add someone to a Slack conversation. Implement this skill in your daily workflow to make collaboration seamless and efficient. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips like this.